Hi students, in this class we'll continue the March 2025 mathematics question paper from 2 marks question onwards. In the last class we have seen the 1 marks questions which are 8 MCQ and 8 subjective. Okay, we will be having 8 2 marks questions for 16 marks total. You have to go through this video carefully and understand the concepts properly. We'll start with 17th questions. These are the slides we saw 1 marks questions. Coming to the 17th question, sorry. In the given figure, ABC is 90. You just draw the figure as given here in question paper. Then they have asked here the first one, sine alpha. Sine alpha or sine theta or sine x is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Sine alpha, just concentrate on alpha here, not theta, because they are given two angles. But what is asked? Read properly. Sine alpha is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, which is your AB by AC, and that value is 3 by 5. Okay. Then the other one is tan theta. They have asked. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent here. Theta opposite is BC. Right. BC by AB is adjacent. That is 4 by 3. Clear? Any angle they will ask here in the 2 marks questions, be proper with respect to the theta or alpha here. They have asked two different ratios here. Okay, clear? We'll go to the next question. So 18th, this is a very straight question. It's from the real number chapter. 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number. We have to prove that. So first here you have to follow a series of steps for that one. It goes like this. First, let us assume okay. Let us assume to the contrary that 6 plus root 2 is a rational. Okay, this is the first step, sorry. So when it is a rational, we can write it in the form of a by b, where a, b are co-primes and b not equal to 0. You have to follow these kind of steps properly. Once you solve this, 6 plus root 2 is equal to a plus b. Solve for root 2 number, you get a by b minus 6, which is nothing but, once you take the LCM, 6b by b. Since here a, b are integers, right? Real numbers kind of thing. So a, 6b and b are integers. We get a minus 6b by b a rational. Okay. Therefore, root 2 is also a rational. Why? Because RHS is a rational, so we get LHS should be a rational. But this contradicts. You have to write like this. But root 2 is a irrational number, right? We know root 2 is a rational number. Therefore, this contradiction has arised because of our wrong assumption. Because we assumed in the first step that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Therefore, just conclude here. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Okay. These steps should be followed properly. Try to understand and remember the steps. Don't by heart. There is an option for this question again. Okay. What is the option? 18th question. We have an option. HCF and LCM of two positive integers are respectively 4 and 60. Therefore, given HCF is 4, LCM is 60. One of the integer is 20. So let A be 20. Find the other. Therefore, B is equal to question mark. We know that HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. That is 4 into 60 is equal to 20 into B. 21 ja, 23 ja. Therefore, B is equal to 12. Just conclude the answer. Therefore, the other integer is 12. Okay. Coming to the next question, 19th, we'll solve here. Solve the given pair of linear equation by elimination method. First, take out the expressions. 2x plus y is 10. Then x minus y is 2. It's an elimination method you have to use. And here, just adding these two, we get 3x is equal to 12. 2x plus x, 3x, y cancels, plus y minus y, 10 plus 2, 12. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, x equal to 2. Therefore, using x minus y is equal to 2, 2 minus y is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 4, I got right, 4. Therefore, minus y, instead of transposing 4, you transpose y here. That is 4 minus 2 equal to y, therefore y equal to 2. Okay. X is 4, y is 2 is the solution here. Elimination method, you have to take care of the coefficients of x and y given. Here in this case, y was having same coefficient, so it got cancelled directly. If none of the coefficient, either of x and y are same, you have to first make them same, then either do add or subtract based on the signs. You will get the answer. Clear? Then we'll see the next question, 20th. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. How do you solve? Using the splitting the middle term. Middle term is 8. So first into third we call it as, that is plus 12 should be, because plus 12 how it comes? Here 1 will be there. 1 into 12 plus 12 plus 12. Factors of 12 should be such that upon product you should get plus 12. Upon addition subtraction you should get plus 8. So 6 2s are 12. Both plus, if we do plus 6 into plus 2 we get plus 12. Plus 6 and plus 2 when added you get plus 8. So instead of plus 8x you have to write plus 6x plus 2x and continue. That is like this. X square plus 6x plus 2x plus 12 equal to 0. Okay. Then using the common taking method, you just take the common here. X, if you take common, x plus 6 will remain, plus 2 if you take common, x plus 6 will come. Okay. In the bracket they should look similar, so take out that common because that will be similar. What is remaining? X and plus 2, right? X plus 6 if you take common, x is remaining plus 2 is remaining. Each of the bracket you equate to 0, you will get the value. This is the solution. Okay, clear? Then it has one more optional for the 20th. We'll try that also. Find the discriminant of the equation. I'll write 20 only. What is the equation? X square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. On comparing this, we get A is 1, which is x square coefficient, B is 4, which is x coefficient, C is 5, which is constant. The discriminant they have told, discriminant we have a symbol like this, which is B square minus 4AC. So just substitute here, B square is 4 square minus 4 of 1 of 5. Just first directly substitute it. Then try to solve that. Simplify. So 16 minus 4 1 is 4, 4 5 is 20. 16 minus 20 is minus 4, which is less than 0. So what is the nature of the roots? When the discriminant is less than 0, therefore nature of roots are not real. Or you might have seen imaginary word also. So not real. Okay, clear? Nature of root depending on the discriminant value. If the discriminant will come as equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. If the discriminant value is greater than 0, this nature of roots will be real and distinct. Now in this case it is less than 0, so not real roots. Clear? We'll move to the next question, 21. In the given AP, find the sum of the first 20 terms. What is AP given? Consider AP 5, 9, 13. Okay, this is the AP. Here A is 5, first term. What is D? D is a common difference. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5. What is number of terms? 20 terms they asked. They have asked S20. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Substitute here. We have to find S20. 20 by 2. 2 of a is 5. When you put dot, it is a into. Okay. Plus n minus 1. 20 minus 1. What is d here? 5. First step, remember, always you have to substitute the values. Don't there itself you simplify. Okay. Next step you simplify. 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja. 2 into 5, 10 plus 19 into 5, 19, right? 19, 19 5 ja, 105. Okay. Number of terms is 20, right? Okay. Sorry, I have written the D is wrong here. I saw that. Okay. Here D is wrong. What you write D 4, right? Because we see here 4. So 19 4 ja 76. Okay. After solving, what we get is 10 of 86. 860 is the S20. Yeah. We'll move to the next question. 22nd. In the given figure, PA, PB are the tangents to the circle. PA is 4 centimeter. APO is 40 degree. They have asked AOB, this one, and the length of APB. First, you write the given thing. Given PA is 4 centimeter. Write it properly. 4 centimeter. APO is 40 degree. We know PB is also 4 centimeter because tangents from external point are equal. You have to write the reason properly. So done. Length of PB we found. Then we have to find AOB. We can find in many ways here, but I'll tell one way. Since see OP bisects APB, we know that. Therefore, OPB is also 40 degree. Therefore, APB becomes 40 plus 40, which is 80 degree. Because you have to add for APB, APO plus OPB, right? Now, OAPB is a quadrilateral. Now, apply the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Let's see. I'll write here. In quadrilateral, in quadrilateral OAPB, write all the angles sum. OAP plus APB plus PBO plus BOA 360 degree. Write the reason angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Okay. Substitute that. OAP is 90. APB is 80. We calculated it. Just check out here. Then PBO is also 90 plus BOA we need it. Why these two have now come 90? Write it a reason. OA perpendicular to AP, OB perpendicular to PB. Then upon calculation, we get BOA, right? BOA is 360 minus 90 plus 90 plus 80. We get how much? It is 100 degree. Therefore, they have asked AOB, not BOA. Just justify that. Okay. This is one way. The other way, I'll just tell, I'll not solve here. In the OAP, we know P, we know A, 90 degree. Find AOP, which is 90 plus 40, 130, 180 minus 130, 50. This also will be 50. But OP bisects AOB, APB, we have to write it. So you will get 50 plus 50, 100. Together we get 100. Okay. Let's see the next question, 23. According to fundamental arithmetic theorem, 40 is x to the power y dot z. Find x, y, z. What does fundamental arithmetic theorem of arithmetic states? Every composite number can be expressed as its primes in a unique way irrespective of the order of the primes occur. Okay, let's see this. What is given? Just write it. 40 equal to x to the power y z. Okay, 40 when you factorize 2 to the 220, 210, 5. That is 2 cube into 5, right? Just write that one more time. 2 cube into 5. So now compare this. You get the x, y, z. Therefore, x equal to 2, y equal to 3, z is equal to 5. Okay, very simple. We'll go to next question. 24. It's a parallelogram they have given, and vertices also they have given. X and y we have to find. Since diagonals, it's a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other, right? So, since you write the first given, all ABCD points you write, draw the figure. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Okay. After writing this, what do you mean by diagonals bisect each other? Means midpoint of the diagonals is same, both the diagonals. That is, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. You have to apply midpoint formula here. Midpoint of AC means AC we have 1 comma y x comma 6. That is 1 plus x by 2 is equal to y plus 6 by 2. That's the midpoint formula. Here 3 plus 4 by 2, 5 plus 3 by 2. If you don't know the midpoint formula for the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is x1 plus y1 by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. Now simplify it and equate. That is 1 plus x by 2 is 3 plus 4 7, 7 by 2. Okay. X coordinate should be equated to the x coordinate value. Then you cancel the 2 here. You get x is equal to 7 minus 1, which is 6. Okay. Then similarly, you equate y plus 6 by 2 equal to 5 plus 3, 8 by 2. 2 cancels. Y equal to 8 minus 6. Okay. Clear? Here to use the midpoint formula. Then we'll move to the next question. Okay. We reached 3 marks questions. We completed 2 marks questions. All 2 marks questions. Okay. We'll see the 3 marks questions in the next class. Thank you.